morning, my dear brothers and sisters, and welcome to the Manila Cathedral. In the first reading, we heard that Paul, or Saint Paul, is in trouble again. And here, we should realize that trouble sometimes goes with missionary work. He was in trouble, Paul, because he was doing God's work. I think that is a very important reminder to us. All of us experiences trouble. All of us experience difficulties. But make sure that when you experience difficulty, it is because you are doing God's will. Okay? Kung ikaw ay tinutugis, no? Eh siguruhin mong tinutugis ka kasi gumawa ka ng tama. Kung ikaw ay pinahihirapan, siguruhin mong ito'y sa dahilang sinusunod mo o ginagawa mo ang gusto ng Diyos. Yan ang halimbawa ng buhay ni San Pablo. Si San Pablo ay nangangaral, nagpupunta kung saan-saan, at yan ay ginawa niya para sundin ang misyong ibinigay sa kanya ni Jesus. But it was not an easy life. And here is the second lesson from the first reading. The Lord did not promise Saint Paul that his life will be easy. Just as He doesn't promise us that when you do good, when you abide by my commandments, when you keep my commandments, wag mo isipin kapag ikaw ay nagpapakabait, gumagawa ng tama, sumusunod sa utos ng Diyos, wag mo isipin na excuse ka na sa mga paghihirap. Alam niyo kasi kung minsan ganyan tayo no? Minsan sasabihin natin, bakit ganun? Nagdadasal naman ako araw-araw, nagsisimba naman ako hanggat maaari araw-araw. Nagkukumunyon pa nga ako, nagbibigay naman ako ng donasyon, naglilimos naman ako. Pero bakit ganito yung nangyayari sa buhay ko? Bakit may mga problema pang dumarating? Bakit nagkakasakit pa ako? Kumisan ganyan tayo Parang sinasabi natin sa Panginoon, Lord, I have been good. Be good to me. Hindi. The Lord did not promise Saint Paul, and the Lord does not promise us that life will be easy. What did He promise? Dito sa unang pagbasa malinaw, do not be afraid. Go on speaking and do not be silent, for I am with you. Yan. Yun ang pangako ng Panginoon. I am with you. I will give you protective custody. Di ba? By the way, protective custody, nasa na yung binigyan ng protective custody? Nakatakas na yata, no? Okay, nakatakas o pinatakas? Sino dapat managot? Meron ba? Pinapakita mo lang na talagang guilty ka no? Ang tunay na inosente, hinaharap ang akusasyon. Anyway, no? Nag-diverse lang, no? Diversion road. But that is the promise of Jesus. Many times, He will not take away our difficult situation. There will still be sickness. There will still be lack of opportunities. But God said in the first reading, and Jesus said in the first reading, I am with you. Hindi kita iiwan sa gitna ng mga pagsubok. Hindi kita iiwan sa gitna ng mga problema. kinakaharap mo. Mga minamahal kong kapatid, yan ang sinasabi sa atin ng Panginoon ngayon. Hindi kita iiwan, kasama mo ako. Amen.